Today we're making a holiday grog from Brian Maxwell. The recipe can be found on his website, Shaker of Spirits, and the idea for this video is brought to us by viewers like you. On the Make and Drink Patreon, if you join the Mai Tai tier, you can request a cocktail that can be made right here on YouTube. And today's video is a request from Brandon Sanchez, who requested this one way back in like April or May of this year. And the time is finally right to share this one. This grog uses rum, cognac, and humbug spices. What are humbug spices, you ask? Well, it's a combination of 2 parts Averna to 2 parts cinnamon syrup and 1 part of an allspice dram. And I'm going to use my homemade allspice dram for this. You'll need 1 ounce of this, so you can make a batch larger than that. Or if you want to make just enough for a single cocktail, you can just add 12 milliliters of Averna, 12 milliliters of cinnamon, and 6 milliliters of allspice dram. So let's make this one. Start with 3/4 ounces of grapefruit juice, 3/4 ounces of lime juice, 1 ounce of our humbug spices, 1/4 ounce of a 151 Demerara rum, 3/4 ounces of an aged Barbados rum, and 1 ounce of cognac. I'm going to garnish with some mint, an umbrella, an orchid, nutmeg, and powdered sugar. So there you go. How the Grog Stole Christmas by Brian Maxwell. It's a little messy, a little sticky, a lot of extra powdered sugar, but let's try how the Grog stole Christmas. That is very good. It's not overly holiday-ish. You know, it's one of those things that it's got that spice note, but you can make this any time of the year. We didn't have to wait until December to make this because it has those traditional, I think, tiki spice notes with the allspice dram and like a touch of the cinnamon and the Averna there. I like that, just the idea of playing around with your own your own bar's spice blend and just using an off-the-shelf Amaro and then adding some spice to it. So that adds a sweetness there. That's a little different dimension than we're typically used to in old school traditional tiki cocktails. There's a nice, appropriate, pleasant bitterness coming through, mainly from the grapefruit, but also from our Amaro. And if you're not really familiar with Amaro, Averna is probably the best one, I think, to start with. It's nice and sweet. And it's not too out there. Some of them, if you're unfamiliar, can be difficult to wrap your head around. That they sell that pretty much everywhere. I've seen it at Costco even. But there you go. How the Grog Stole Christmas from Brian Maxwell. If you haven't been to Brian's website, you should check it out. There will be a link below. Tons of great recipe ideas there for you to check out. So thanks again to Brandon for recommending this and being a part of the Make and Drink Patreon. If you're interested in having one of your favorite cocktails shared, as long as that recipe is sort of out there in the world, you can join the Make and Drink Patreon, join the Mai Tai tier, and sometime in the future, I will make that video here on YouTube. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like below, consider subscribing if you have not already, and I'll see you on the next one.